today I'm going to do like an aeroplane essentials trip because I am going on holiday tomorrow to the Dominican Republic. So I thought I'd show you what I've got in my bag that me and my sister like take. So the first thing I've got in my bag, which I take, is my phone. It's charging up at the moment, so it will be put in there. The second thing I've got is a teddy. I always like to have a teddy because it's nice cuddly when it's cold. So that's my second thing. Oh, by the way, this is my bag. It's more of a bit of a suitcase, but I don't keep clothes in here because I put quite a lot of things in here because Dominican Republic from the UK is 9.5 hours. Just so you know, that's a really long flight. Another thing is I haven't packed head pillows because we get supplied with them on the plane. So the next thing I've got in my bag is a pair of slippers because it gets really cold on the plane. They're just pink. I think I got them from B&M, by the way. So they're just nice pink and with white stars on slippers. Oh, so I'm putting them on. They're really nice and warm to just like, you know, when you're going on. The next thing I've got is a book. It's just a book that you can write in and draw in because I quite like drawing, but I'm not like this. It makes sense. So the next thing that I bring is a word search book. I got this from Tesco. This was a word search to keep you, completed, and also Crosswords. So Crosswords, because I also got that from Tesco. Then I've got a bigger book which I can write in. Another thing that I take on a plane is homework. I keep it in this folder so it's much easier to carry around and the storage. And then I've got a massive project book that I do all things. It's like basically like a diary which I've got what I need to do and everything. Then I have got my pencil case. It's just got things like a glue stick, ruler, pens, pencils. I'm going to actually take this glue stick out because, planes are really strict nowadays. So you know, I'll liquid in hand baggage. Next thing I've got, I do take a DVD player which plays stuff like DVDs, and I also take my computer. So I've just got a remote, just turn it on if I want to watch a movie, like that. And this is what you can plug into the side of the plane if it needs to be charged up. Or you can just take like a portable charger that's like a little thing. I've got one somewhere, which you can just plug your regular charger into and charge it up. And then at the bottom of my bag I have got this which I was making last time of some bearables. I always like to bring string because I love to make bracelets. If you want to know how to make this bracelet which I've just pulled apart, I will try and do that for you guys. And it's just like different colours. Oh, that's running the bracelet basically. So that, because on planes they get bring around snacks, and we're different as planes, so we'll get snacks first. So I really sort of don't need to bring snacks. But soft mints that you can buy in the airport, Tic Tacs, to suck on, because when you go up and you take off and you land, your ears, they go all, I don't know about you guys, but my ears seem to go all funny. So, I'm going to be doing a DIY today, and you'll see what that's going to do. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this just like little video. I haven't been filming for ages because my camera hasn't been working, so I sort of couldn't film for you, but I hope you enjoyed this little video. Well, Aeroplane Essentials and tips for travelling. So I'll see ya. I won't be able to film next week because I'm on holiday, or next week after that, maybe. I know what I could do. I could do a Christmas video. So, once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you. I'll film again this afternoon.